Hi, this is an unboxing of this G7S gaming wireless headset. Let's see what's in the box. This ought to be a gaming headset, which means it should have low latency and good sound quality and things like that. I will do a review later of it. But now let's see what's in the box. So I'm opening it now. And let's see. In the box there's a description leaflet in Chinese, obviously, and also in some other languages, English, and not much more. This is a French manual, and these are charging cable, micro USB, and this is a charging box of the headset. Quite small, it looks cool. It ought to be gaming, and the design is sure gaming-like at least. And these are the box itself. Nice and small. See, I will try to put them in the charging box to see if it does something. No, maybe the battery is empty. So I will try to charge them and I will do a review later. I paid 15 euros for them, and if they have low latency and a good sound quality, then they will sure be worth it. That was the unboxing. Please like and subscribe so that you can see the review later, which I will do of it as soon as I have enough experience. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.